So wonderful good morning and a lovely good morning for a new trading day, and welcome here now Forex morning call, the shortcut FMC. Maybe you should remind it in your mind and your brain. Forex morning call, Wednesday 24th of August. My name is Marcus from DowHow Trading. I'm a real trader, I'm a mentor, and I'm a supporter, and I encourage you to make trading very successful with a clear and best of simple strategy, trend following. And we can see every day how important trend following is, and what kind of simple strategy this is. And this combination between DowHow, the proper knowledge about the Dow strategy, the know-how about the Dow strategy, and the exit strategy is trend following. And huge traders around the world, especially in America, USA, huge hedge funds, they make trend following, are acting really successful with their trading ideas, with trend following, and we want to do the same. I want to welcome you here on YouTube. Alexandro, good morning. Thomas, Aurel, Yanis, Petya, happy Wednesday. And of course, here on Traders Yard also, Johan, good morning. And Mihai, welcome. Everything is well. Yeah, thanks God we have it in our own hands to create our own future. And I think we are living in really challenging times, actually. Yeah, we have the war in Ukraine. We have the energy crisis. We have, really kind of exhausting times. Yeah, we are fighting with our own lives. But there's an interesting thought for you today. I think the problem most people have are they are sticking in the past with their thoughts, or they are sticking in their worries about the future, instead of being in the now, in the day, in current situation, that we realize that the future is unborn. And 90% of all worries you make today will never happen in the future. So, and why should I stick with my thoughts in the past? The past is the past. The past is done. It's over. We are living today. And today I can create my future, because I know everything what I doing to plant will ripen up in the future. So it's in my hands what I plant today. So why should I stick in the past or in the future? Yeah, and this is what most people are doing. They are driven by emotions. They are driven from outside information instead of going back to their inside and to keep thinking in a logical way and step on the path of logic, especially here in trading. And this is what I want to tell you every single day. Please stay in the now, not in the past, not in the future, now. Now is the day. Now is your best day. Now is the day you can create your future. Whatever you want will happen if you plant the seeds today. And especially in trading, if you want to become successful in trading, you should plant the perfect seeds. So what could be the perfect seeds for your trading? Yeah, sticking to the rules. The first place, sticking to the rules, or having rules, first of all. Okay, but this is a normal thing. Having rules, yeah, you know they are successful by back testing, whatever, and then sticking to the rules. This is, you can watch yourself by sticking to the rules. This is planting seeds for the future. And a lot of people miss this part, but this is what I teach in the course and what I teach every day to my students. Okay, general risk warning: trading with stocks and financial assets, also Forex, of course, can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. Okay, let's come to the numbers for today. Just only two this afternoon, 2:30, durable goods orders for July, and non-defense capital goods orders, aircraft July. So nothing interesting for us today as a trend follower. It's really calm day. Okay, I'm looking forward to see your questions or wishes, whatever there is. You can ask me whatever you want. And if you want to go deeper with your education, then I want to invite you to come to my DowHow Trading homepage, and there you will find the complete trading education for your success. I know a lot of people are thinking about, should I buy this course? Shouldn't I? Whatever. Here you will find a clear description what's going on in this course. If you scroll down, yeah, then you see for what's going on here, and you see from people before and afterwards, from my students. This is me. There you see a little bit my story if you scroll down. And then, of course, the topics. Yeah, the topics, introduction to your personal coaching, how perception influences your trading, how does the price really develop, the trend drawing and its principles, something like this. Yeah, and on the lower side, yeah, you will find some interesting parts, of course, results. And here you can click on this button, Proven Expert, then you see about the comments from people they were studying this course already. And do it by yourself. Just you can cut the way to success if you stop figuring out by yourself, if you go too deeper in the path of logic, by the way. Okay, let's come to trading, and we want to start with a view at the DAX 15 minutes, and you see nothing changed. We had a new trend continuation, so we are sticking deep in the green zone, and the current point of control is still here at 13,677 euros by one future contract. But I'm a little bit afraid, it's just sarcasm. Yeah, I'm a little bit afraid that the point of control, yeah, could switch here to this area, because you see there they built through the last 2 days, they are building high volume at this level area, around about 13,200 euros by one future contract. So this is not so far away from the current point of control. So, and I would suppose that if we stick here around for the next 1 or 2 days, yeah, and circling around this price, then it could be really, really possible that the point of control will switch or will switch to this lower point, and then the market literally says, okay, in this time frame, by the way, we are satisfied with this cheaper, fair price right now. And this brings us to a completely different picture, because now the price is really cheap. So we can suppose that we see a new trend up and back to the fair price. But if they will keep the price on this lower price, then they move the price to a lower price. And that means, okay, this is not longer really cheap. This is fair. And this offers us a lot of opportunities on the upper side and on the lower side. So keep an eye on it. What's about the trend? Yeah, trend is still valid. We had a break of the downtrend. We had 10 trend arms yesterday. And this is what I'm going to show you, what can happen if you follow the trend just by 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. So you had a lovely profit yesterday. Yeah, if you get in here in the third trend arm, you could have really, really huge profits here if you follow this trend, even in 15 minutes, because trend following, ladies and gentlemen, works in every time frame, in every single time frame, because time does not exist at all. So therefore, it's the nature of prices that they are moving. Higher volume on the buyer side, price are rising. Higher volume on the seller side, price is decreasing. And this move and correction, moving up and down, leads to a trend in every single time frame. There is no perfect time frame at all. There's just a time frame which fits to your lifestyle. If you're a part-time trader, you will never make money with day trading because you miss too many signals. So the time frame must fit to your lifestyle. Simeon, greetings to Nigeria. Wonderful good morning. So what's going on the right side right now? On the right side, you see we had wonderful chances again. Here, check it out. And here is my drawing program. Here we go. So you see, perfect entry yesterday in trend on number 2. So another hit, because it was a trend following. Yeah. Then next situation, here or here again, another hit. You see what I'm trying to explain? Yeah. In trend on number 2 and 3, we have a probability of almost 70%. Why you shouldn't use it? Why? Why not? Yeah. The point is that the human being always see this question mark on the right side of the chart, and this makes you feel uncertain. And what people really hate is uncertainty, not controlling. This is what people really hate as a human being, because our mind is created in that way that we are afraid of new things, but with single tiny step, we going a little bit outside of our comfort zone. We try to learn new things in a safe environment. I have a mentor, I have a teacher, and then I suppose my teacher know what he's talking about. So I trust him, I take it over, I make my own experience in this safe environment. And then I'm going to have routines. Yeah, after 10, 11, 12 repeating the same thing, I have my routine. Routine means, oh, I feel safe. I know what's coming down. I know what's going on. I know what's coming next. This is routine. What you never have in trading is this kind of routine that you know what happens next. You can do the same thing 1,000 times in trading, you will never know the result of the trade. Never, 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 never. And this brings you always to this uncertain stage. And this drives you crazy. Then you have always this big fucking question mark in front of your nose. Yeah, always. So what's the behavior of people if they feel uncertain? They analyzing, interpreting, yeah, predictioning, because in normal life, this brings you a little bit more safety. But in trading, it's a zero-sum game. You don't have a benefit with analyzing. You don't have a benefit with interpreting, because this is an individual perception. And with individuality in trading, you will never make money. How you make money in trading is to accept the inevitable thing of the law of probability, that you have to stick to the rules, that you know, if I stick to my rules all the time, if I don't miss my signals, I have the guarantee that I make money on the long run. But every time you fail, you have misdeeds, you have the same guarantee that you don't make money in the future. So who has this in their own hands? It's a question of the market. It's a matter of the market. It's a matter of the chart. No, it's your point. Yeah, the ball is in your field. Yeah, it's in your hands. The market is not guilty. The market never fails. The strategy never fails. Who is failing is you and me. We are the stupid idiots in front of the screen. We fail by not sticking to the rules, by not being there when the signal is there. Yeah, all those things. And this is what you have to learn in your trading. So what's going on next? I don't know. I just see we are in trend on number 4. Yeah, we are going up to correct 100%. So let's see what's going on. There were 2 chances to make money. It's a question if you did it or not. Let's go one time from higher, because I have still a short position index 40 in 4-hourly chart. Why? Simple. Trend on number 2, entry. Yeah. Yesterday we had a balance candle. I trailed my stop to take the money. Yeah. And now there is no trend continuation yet. So if this will be a balanced candle next, I trail my stop closer and take my money because it's trend on number 3 and I can make a re-entry in case of. Dow Jones. Uptrend broken, still in the downtrend, but still in the, how should I say, still in the move. That was just market noisy. It was not just really a correction. So we are still in the move and we don't jump into the move. Never, 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 ever. Okay, never do this. Next one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I have an open position because I opened, I failed. I missed the trend, the entry here on the second trend on my fault, you see. But I didn't miss the entry in the trend of number 3. You see, I could make money there. And now I'm fighting with trend of number 3. The highest probabilities are always in trend of number 2. So circling around, actually, there is nothing to do for the moment. Gold. Gold is really lovely because we have trend on number 2 in the correction. We had a balanced candle, and yesterday I had a catastrophic stop sell order at the point 2. Now I see we have a higher correction that gives me a better price. So I trail the entry here below that first balanced candle. In case that the trend will continue, I must be prepared of. Tandy, good morning. Welcome here in the show. Next one, euro dollar. Euro dollar, finally, end of move. Correction yesterday. That gives me the chance to open or to set a pending order in case that the downtrend will continue. British pound dollar. Yeah, how cool is this? Look, I made a lot of money with this. Here you see entry trend of number 2. I trailed the stop loss here. I took money here. Was a great trend. Michaela, wonderful good morning. Welcome here in the show. I really appreciate it a lot that you spend your precious lifetime with me here in the show. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So how is the situation British pound, US dollar, and for volatile right now? It's trend on number 3. I made money with the move from trend on number 2. So now we have 2 balanced candles in a row, and that means I have to set a pending order for the next move. Yeah, sell stop on the way down in case that we see a continuation from the trend. So be a part of it if you want, just up to you. I hope you have any rules. Yeah, that's very important. So that's the running trades. Now that's the market overview right now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, so again, in case of you want to go deeper in your education, by the way, then I suggest that you be a part here and you can go on my homepage. It's DowHow-trading.com/TML, and you can switch the language from German to English, of course. It's available on both languages. And very soon I have a third language. Guess what? Guess what? You don't get it. A Thai language. Yes, Thai, because I have an office in Bangkok and I'm going back to Bangkok to Thailand in October to bring the path of logic to the Asian people because they deserve the perfect thing also. And the next year I will go to Africa to bring the path of logic to the African people, because everybody has the right to make money with trading. Everybody has the right, but everybody has to learn how it really works to follow the path of logic. Yeah. And if you want to go deeper and if you want to come quicker to your success, then you should have a mentor. I have 4 mentors. I have 4. After 23 years, I still have 4 mentors. They encourage me to steps to keep on the path of logic. Very, very important. So you can cut the way to success if you have a mentor. It might not me, maybe if you don't like me, it's okay, but please find a mentor you trust and you like and maybe you love, because if you don't like your mentor, you will never learn something. Very important that you have one that you're on the same page. So running trades. running trades. Australian Canadian dollar. We had an entry yesterday. We are circling around the entry, stop loss a little bit lower. So in daily chart, very simple. You can follow as a part-time trader, especially in daily chart. It's awesome. Very calm trading, but very successful on a long run. Australian Swiss, I trailed the stop because we had a trend candle yesterday against my position. So in case of, I have to cut the loss. If I get out, it's on the watch list for re-entry because we are still in trend arm number 2. So trend arm number 2, you know, we have the highest probability, but actually we are circling around. So time does not exist. Euro JPY, now we're going down a little bit. It's trend arm number 2. Yeah, we are a little bit in profit. The point of control means this is the green rectangle. Maybe we can go down to the point of control. It's a bit higher probability on my side. Let's see what happens next. I don't know. And I don't care about it. I don't care, by the way. I don't care. I just see what happens. Listen to the chart. 4 magic L's. You remember the 4 magic L's? Logic, listen, let it go, let it run. Pound JPY. Yeah, entry was here to speculating for a trend continuation of this long trend, trend arm number 2, still in the correction. I haven't trailed my stop loss yet because there is no trend candle. It's just kind of balanced candle. So the price is still circling. So for the moment, if I have a trend candle, then I trail my stop. But as long as I don't see a real trend to the lower side, I don't trail my stop. Pound Kiwi. Trend arm number 2, you see, we had an entry yesterday. Today's buyers come back, but let's see. Just let it go for the moment. And the last one currently is US dollar, Canadian dollar. So we had a little bit impact in dollar yesterday about kind of PMA data yesterday. But it was just a fake, just scary a little bit. But now you see buyers are back. So only the weak hands are getting out the market and the big money says, yeah, got it. Let's going on. Okay, so it's US dollar, Canadian dollars, stop losses in profit. Here's trend arm number 4. Let's see if we see a trend continuation or not. Okay, so what's on the watch list? Daily chart. It's still the bond market, but now in bond market, we have 2 trends right now. The long is in trend arm number 4, and there is a new downtrend, and the new downtrend is really young. Let's see what's going on the next. Not today. Let's see tomorrow or maybe on Friday. New Zealand Canadian dollar. I'm waiting for a balanced candle to go long in this trend arm number 2. New Zealand JPY. It's a broken downtrend. We have trend arm number 2, still trend arm number 2 here, still in the correction for a long time. Balanced candles on the way up. I have a pending order in case of. Kiwi dollar. It looks like that the downtrend will continue. We're going close to the point 2. And actually, we are fighting with the point of point 3 with this long trend. But as long as we don't break it and the next battle will show up, I can speculate of a long trend. Keep an eye on it. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Let's see. It's daily chart. It's daily chart. Very calm, but very successful in the long run. So we have Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Unfortunately, the uptrend is broken, and we just have one downtrend. And this downtrend is now in the correction again. And just second trend, highest probability, 70%. But just wait for the next balance candle, and then we have the chance to go short. Aussie JPY. Yeah, I don't trade the long. I'm waiting that we can trade the short position. So, and here we waiting for a balance candle. Then we get a signal. NASDAQ. just trend on number 3, waiting for the next balance candle to speculating of a trend continuation. Euro British pound, just waiting to go long, trend on number 3, just waiting. Euro Kiwi, also trend on number 2, circling around, just waiting. We get our chance, believe me. British pound, Australian dollar, I'm not sure. It's trend on number 4. It looks like the trend on number 4 will continue. And there is also, actually, there's also an uptrend, but actually we are having fakes on the lower side. Let's see if the uptrend will break or not. Just keep an eye on it. No trade yet. Just wait. Just on the watch list. Kiwi dollar. Let's see if you see a break or not. If there is no break, oh, that's the same. We had it already. Sorry, we had it. Okay, that were my charts on my watch list. Yeah, and the 4-hourly charts also. DAX now 15 minutes. Correction again. Let's see, guys. I want to say thank you for joining this session again. Thanks a lot. I wish you now a wonderful day. And stick to the rules. Maybe you can go on this playlist, and you can follow the last shows from the last day. We make this show every morning, Forex Morning Call, Monday to Friday, every morning, 8 o'clock, except I say different, that I'm not here in the office or something like this. So you can always get in touch with me by the links below this video. I'm Marcus from DowHow Trading. I wish you a beautiful and lovely day. Be careful about your thoughts all the time. Have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you tomorrow.